Hey guys, it's your girl, and I'm back with another amazing recipe. For this Eid, I recorded this cupcakes recipe for you. I hope you're gonna give this a try, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and also follow me on my other social media platforms at Chef Amos. So first of all, we're going to start by adding a cup of margarine or butter into a bowl. And then a cup of sugar, white granulated sugar, and then you're going to cream this until it is light and fluffy. You can use a turning stick to do this, or you can use a whisk, whichever way you want. Whichever one you have. And basically you don't need to have a mixer to make these cupcakes, okay? So you just keep creaming until it is lighter in color and fluffier, just like that. So after that, I'm trying to show you here the color. It has changed from yellow to a pale milk. I'm going to add 4 large eggs. But if you're using medium size eggs, you should use 5. So I will continue mixing in the egg into the butter sugar mixture. Don't over mix at this point. Just mix until everything is mixed, just like that. Then you add 2 cups of sifted flour. You continue mixing until everything is well mixed. You'll find the full ingredients in the description box below. So here I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, then 1/4 cup of milk. I did not use evaporated milk. You can simply dissolve your powdered milk with water and you're good to go. And then a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. So mix this very well together, keeping in mind not to overmix, because when you overmix your cake batter, you end up with a hard, not soft, moist cake, okay? And by the way, let me use this opportunity to tell you guys that I have an online baking and cake decoration class coming up by June. The fee is just 15,000 naira. Distance is not a barrier. You can register for yourself, your siblings, your nieces, your cousins, etc. Just empower yourself. If you want to see more of my work, then check out Amos Bakery and Kitchen on Instagram or Twitter, and you'll be amazed with the what you will see. So that being said, you will scoop the batter into your cupcake liner in the cupcake pan. You can add raisins if you want. It is totally optional, and just bake in your oven. And then that's it. It's so fluffy, as you can see. I allow it to burn a little because it stays longer when it's brown a little bit. I hope you're gonna give this a try. Thank you.